Welcome to our warehouse. Inventory management system is a process of tracking and controlling inventory levels of our goods or product. Today, we're going to show you the importance of having good inventory management system for our business.
The inventory management process involves the oversight of products from supplier to the consumer. This includes the procurement of raw materials, receiving stock, item storage, order fulfillment, shipping, and delivery of all products sold that generate revenue for a business. Inventory management process involves the oversight of products from supplier to the consumer. This includes the procurement of raw materials, receiving stock, item storage, order fulfillment, shipping, and delivery of all products sold that generate revenue for a business.
When we are doing inventory in our warehouse, there's a lot of problems that we may encounter, such as changing demand, problem stock, overstocking, inadequate software, and increasing competition. One common problem was used to face before implementing our inventory management system was increasing competition.
Ganyan po ma'am, ano po may pagliligat po sa inyo?
Nandito po ako, tanong ko dumating na ba yung stocks na kailangan?
Ma'am, sorry for the inconvenience. Medyo matatagalan yung dumating yung stocks namin. Pero within this month po, sure po na nagbibigay po na rin yung stocks na kailangan.
Aba? Tagal ko nang in-order yan, tapos hanggang ngayon wala pa rin. Hindi nyo ba alam na napipressure din ako dahil may mga taong naghihintay ng stocks na yan?
Ma'am, pasensya na po. Pinapangako po namin na dadating po yung stocks na kailangan.
Pangako? Puro na lang kayo pangako. Kung alam ko lang, ganyan kayo ka-unprofessional, sa iba na ako kumuha ng supply. Kagaya ng AAA company, nababalitaan ko na mabilis at maayos ang transaction sa kanila. Bukod pa doon, nagbibigay sila ng lower price sa mga reseller.
Yun na lang po ma'am, since marami po problema sa shipments namin ngayon, nadagdagan na lang po namin yung in-order nyo upang mabawi naman po kami.
Okay, sige, pagbibigyan ko kayo this time. Pero siguraduhin nyo, within this month, nandito na yung supply na kailangan ko.
Managing inventory with paperwork and manual processes is tedious and not secure. And it doesn't really scale across multiple warehouses with lots of stock. So nowadays, it's really hard to come up with manual documentation because there's a lot of challenges that they may encounter. Here's one of the scenario that shows how manual documentation affects the performance of the company.
Hello, this is Bloom's Essential Company. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Jeffrey. Any updates sa in-order ko?
What order po, sir?
10 boxes of Bloom's Essential.
Okay po, sir. Can I end it for a while? I will check it on our files. Thank you.
Okay.
Nasaan kaya ang ibang files? Bakit wala dito yung files ni Sir Jeffrey? Sir, good afternoon po. Sir, may tumawag po na customer sa office and ina-update po niya yung order niya 10 boxes of essential blooms. Pero naghanap na po ako sa office ng mga documents. Wala po ang pangalan niya doon. Saan po kaya yun napalagay?
Wala bang ganap na papers? Kasi nagbabawas tayo ng mga files sa filing cabinet kasi baka napasama nyo sa lumang gamit.
Sige po, sir. I'll contact our customer. Hello, sir. This is Bloom Essential Company. We have checked your purchase and it turns out na may konting conflict. But don't worry, sir. We will make sure that it can be solved as fast as we can.
Okay, pero masyado niyo akong dinisappoint. Okay, I'll give you a second chance para masettle yung problemang yan.
Sir, good afternoon po. Sir, nagkaroon problema po sa office about sa mga files. May nag-complain po na customer and ina-update po ang kanyang order. Hinanap po namin sa mga files and hindi po ito makita ni record keeper. Pero, update na po namin si customer na nagkaroon po ng konting conflict about sa kanyang order. So, ano po kayang solution ng ating company for that?
Thank you for giving me updated about our company. Ms. Secretary, this problem is a serious matter that should be resolved as soon as possible. I think we need... Thank you for keeping me updated, Ms. Secretary, on what's happening in our company. This problem is a serious matter that should be resolved as soon as possible. I think we need an upgrade. So, kailangan nating evolve ang ating manual documents into automated software documents.
In manual documentation, the solution is go paperless, which means we must give employees the right inventory tools for the job. They need software to replace manual inventory documentation and paperless transactions for invoices and purchase orders. Additionally, it is important to have a software in a company for an easy access in finding of files about the specific purchase of a customer.
Good afternoon, everyone. With this new system, maaari natin agad i-update ang mga stock level, track inventory in real time, and maintain safety stock. It's incredibly efficient and user-friendly.
The automotive system alerts us when stock is low, so never run out of essential items.
Hi, good afternoon. Pwede po bang umorder ng 50 boxes of Bloom Essentials?
Certainly, I just checked our stocks level for you. Great news, we have sufficient stocks available. And your order has been processed. Makakatanggap ka ng isang email confirmation sa lalong madaling panahon.
Oh, that was fast! Thank you!
Our automated inventory management system integrates seamlessly with our ordering process, ensuring quick and accurate order fulfillment.
Let's review our latest inventory metrics. So since implementing our new system, we've seen 30% of reduction in stock out and 20% of increase in order accuracy.
This is impressive. We have also noticed on how our customer satisfaction was improved. And it is also has a fewer complaints.
Aming mga gastos sa storage ay nabawasan since we're managing our inventory more efficiently.
Exactly. Effective inventory management not only benefits our operations, but also strengthens our relationship with customers and partners. So continue optimizing our processes.
As you can see, A good inventory management system is vital for business success. It helps us maintain optimal stock levels, enhance efficiency, and ultimately deliver better service to our customers.
Remember, the key to a smooth running business lies in efficient inventory management. Keep your operations streamlined, stay ahead of competition,
and always aim for excellence.